Let's talk about kitchen. Kitchen. Stove. Oven. Sink. Fridge. Freezer. Cupboard. Shelf. Table. Knife. Spoon. Fork. Plate. Bowl. Cup. Glass. Pot. Pan. Kettle. Teapot. Tray. Blender. Mixer. Pressure cooker. Microwave. Cutting board. Rolling pin. Strainer. Ladle. Spatula. Jar. Salt. Pepper. Oil. Flour. Rice.
1. The kitchen is very clean. 2. My mother is cooking in the kitchen. 3. There are many dishes in the kitchen. 4. The fridge is in the corner of the kitchen. 5. I washed the plates in the kitchen. 6. The stove is hot. Be careful. 7. We eat breakfast in the kitchen. 8. There is a big table in.
Hi Sarah, your kitchen looks so nice.
Thank you. I love cooking, so I keep my kitchen neat and full of tools.
I see a lot of things here. What is this sharp tool?
That's a knife. We use it for cutting vegetables, fruits, and meat.
Oh, and this flat board under the knife?
That's a cutting board. It keeps the table safe when we cut food.
I like that. And what about this big metal pot?
That's a cooking pot. I boil rice, soup, and pasta in it.
I also see a small round pan with a handle.
That's a frying pan. I use it for frying eggs, meat, or vegetables.
Nice. And this long spoon made of wood?
That's a wooden spoon. It's good for stirring hot food without scratching the pan.
Wow, you have so many tools. Cooking must be easy here.
Yes, with the right kitchen tools, cooking becomes fun and simple.